Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HTZ, Hertz. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the pullback on this one continues, and I don't want to say that the overall chart is destroyed because that wouldn't be accurate, but things are definitely looking pretty shaky, and things are approaching, in my opinion at least, a very important technical area, and that area is what is known as the support, and that support being down here right around $2, and we'll call it 25 cents, which if you go through the history of the chart, you can see price got down around this area and consolidated nicely. And then right now, getting relatively close to it. And then you also combine the fact that this former area of support is also essentially the same value of that pink line right there, that pink line in my chart representing the very famous, the very well-known 200 period moving average. Then, yeah, there's going to be a lot of eyeballs watching right around that 225 mark. And when there's lots of eyeballs watching the same area and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic price movements. So, well, of course, there's no such thing as a guarantee, but my point here is it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to have that, if the price gets down to 225 and falls below it, that could very well create quite a bit of downwards pressure. Once again, not guaranteed to happen, but like I said, I don't think anybody with experience would be shocked to see that occur. Now, in the event 225 is tested and broken, next key level of support after that would just be this gap close location down there around $1.80. So point here being that's quite a bit of room that this thing could still potentially drop with just simply a break of that area. But point here being those are going to be the main levels of support to watch moving forward. If there is any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, key level of resistance going to be right up here around the 305 mark. And then if 305 can be broken, next key level would be that purple line up there, which on my chart denotes the 50 period moving average, and the current value of that is up there at $3.70. But yeah, right now things are looking a little bit shaky here, but the overall chart does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.